Okay, hello folks, Wes here, B&B. How are you all? Haven't seen you for a while, so I thought I'd make a quick video while I got 5 minutes waiting for a car to be pulled in. So, where have I been? I've been on holiday. So I went to Kazakhstan, which you guys probably know as Borat, and I had quite a bit of jokes I like. But we're back anyway, and if you think it's like carts and donkeys and stuff, then you are mistaken, because I thought, well, I've had plenty of luxury holidays. I wanted something rural. I wanted to feel the earth and sort of find my soul and usual sort of middle-age crisis stuff. So I went on holiday to Kazakhstan. A mate of mine who's a good friend of mine who's been out there a few times, he says, oh, you're missing a trick. Now, I couldn't really see what was there, just sort of mainstream media, like they always show, like Pakistan's mud huts and stuff. And I went there and it was all 5-star villas and stuff. So what can I say? So I thought, let's try it. So anyway, just come back, just done 2 weeks out there. Wow, I'm amazed. Proper amazed. For a developing country, they're more developed than us. So, I mean, we're talking so clean, people don't cross the roads unless you're on a zebra crossing or you get fined. They don't spit because you get fined. There's no rubbish on the floor. The toilets you can actually eat off. It's that clean out there, because I was expecting to be proper stressed. And I thought, well, let's go there and feel the earth, find my soul and stuff. And guess what? It was more modern than here, yet we consider it a third world country. Wow, what can I say? Electric structure there, a lot of electric cars, they got that well. Fuel is 16p a litre, not what 156 that we pay. A pint is £1. What can I say? Food is generally £3 for breakfast and maybe £10 for like a 2 to 3 course meal per person. So wow, I was really amazed. My money really went far. And lap dancing was £2. Well, what can I say? I have to help that community, don't I? So, what an amazing place. Weather was all right, up and down, but can't really complain. When it was hot, it was 27 to 33 degrees, and when generally it was about 16 to 17. So, pretty acceptable. Anyway, I had a lovely time out there. Found some ideas of maybe even starting a small business out there. So, that was good. I'm back now, so I'm back. So while I was away, the lads did some work, but obviously I've had to crack the whip now, so we're generally quite busy, and you'll see a lot more work coming up. So what am I going to talk about? I'm seeing the rise of Android units. We're talking non-branded, so nothing wrong with them. Some are good, some are bad. We had an M3 in the other day with a customer had bought a Android unit, Extron, I think the brand was. I did tell him, look, we're going to charge you around 250 quid to fit it, and there's no problems, we won't be taking any on. So bear that in mind. I fitted a few Extrons, some are good, some are bad. So this week I'm back, we had an M3 in, we fitted the Extron unit, which took quite a bit of time because you had to run looms to the boot and back and forth, but I won't bore you with that. Anyway, it sort of semi-worked, and it was problematic. So I had to ring the guy and say, look, you're going to have to pay your price that we've agreed. We did tell you these units can be good and bad, and I'm afraid yours is bad. So now we've removed it. He's going to send it back at his cost, then probably get a replacement and then pay us again to fit it. I mean, he probably paid 200 for the unit, paid us 200 quid, pay us another 200. So he should have just paid 800 and had a proper one, like an Alpine or a Pioneer or a Kenwood, and he would never have had a problem. But that's life. What else did we do? You may see on our wall, we did quite a huge camper. Again, the guy had bought an Extron unit and had it installed. It had everything on it, DAB, Bluetooth, camper nav, ticked every single box. I can't blame the guy because, for the price and what it can do, we can't compete. Well, he's had it for 4 to 5 months and maybe a bit longer, and he's had nothing but problems from day one. He's tried living with it, tried resetting it, done this and that. In the end, he's given up and he's bought a proper Pioneer unit. And he spent more than he would have because now he feels frustrated and doesn't want a cheap Pioneer unit. So okay, piss off, Banjo, I'm in a video. Okay, sorry about that. staff keep walking in when I'm in the middle of doing a video. So what I was saying about this customer, so he's come and spoke to us, bought a Pioneer unit, and bought pretty much top of the range for Pioneer. It's got camper nav, it's got Bluetooth, it's got everything that his Extron had, but it's working and everything's going to be accurate. And when he's got to go to a Europe trip, he hasn't got to be in fear and have another sat nav next to the Extron running because they keep crashing and doing random stuff. Now again, I do stipulate that not all are faulty. I fitted a good handful of them and I've never seen a customer back, maybe because it's working or maybe because I just told them it's not going to work and they've never come back. Now you may think, oh, Waz is saying this because he wants to sell his brands. No, I'm happy to stock these, and I may even stock them. I may source them and start selling them because there seems to be a market for them, and people seem to really put up with stuff that doesn't work and they're happy to pay for it. Whereas my Pioneer Alpine Kenwood customers would wring my neck if something didn't work. So maybe there's a market for me there. Now, if you are thinking of buying an Android and you think I don't want to spend big bucks, then just join an Android site. I mean, I've joined one and it's fun because every night I read the amount of issues and problems and the sort of stuff that these people are having to deal with. They buy a unit, it doesn't work correctly, and then they send it back and they've lost 30% because they've opened the box and it's China and you just got to argue with them. I've seen people that have fitted them and the apps don't work because they're obviously hacked apps, they're not genuine apps. And what people don't realize is Apple and Android, they say that's all we want. Yeah, it's on there, but it's an hacked app. So like back in the days when you used to jailbreak your phone for a couple of months or a year, it would work and then it would just not work and then you have to go pay someone to hack it again. So that's the sort of world it's in. So if you join a forum, don't get me wrong, there's some people that are really happy. And if I've ever put a comment on there, I usually get bombarded with people saying how happy they are. So, it's fine. So I would say join one of those walls, have a read and make your own mind up. Now, if you read a lot of these things and it's a lot negative, then, it's up to you. But if you see a lot of positive things, then have a go and we're happy to fit it for you correctly, So that's what I'm talking about there on the Android side. What else has been happening? Security has gone through the roof. Seems to be car crime is on the up, which is good for us because we're doing an absolute ton of trackers, immobilizers and so forth. So if you're worried about your car or you're just not sure, give us a shout. If you want to chat to us about security, we'll help you. The other thing that's selling very well with us is dash cams. Now we've been selling thinkware dash cams for time and they are the best, but a lot of people say, Waz, Halfords are so much cheaper, but we don't want their workmanship or whatever their situation is. So I've now introduced some cheaper cameras, a lot cheaper than thinkware and pretty good as well, to be honest, because I've tried and tested them for a month. So I've got some units now that if you're on a budget and you were always thinking I want like Waz's work but I don't want to pay those prices, well, we have got something for you. You may not get on our Facebook and so forth, but we'll be happy to do them for you. If you're interested, get in touch, come and see me and I'll be happy to advise, okay? So that's a little roundup of what's happened here. The weather seems to be getting better, so let's just enjoy and everyone be happy and give me a shout if you've got any questions. Speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.